Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's Biology 8 Metric, Unit 1 that include Chapter 1 that is Human Organ System. Starting from Human Organ System, first of all, our main concern for this chapter will be nervous system, second will be reflex action, third is excretory system, and the last one is malfunctioning of the kidneys. These four are the main topics of chapter Human Organ System. Now, starting from human organ system, first of all, you must know that what is an organ system. Organ system is a level of organization that forms by cells that combine to form tissues, and tissues combine to form the organs, and from organ an organ system is formed. Okay, now class, listen, that cells combine to form tissues, tissues combine to form organ combine to form organ systems, and when different organ systems combine in a body, they form a complete human being. Okay, now we are going to start our chapter. First of all, we have nervous system, second we have excretory, and third we have the other organ systems. Okay, now starting from nervous system, first of all we will study about central nervous system, secondly about the peripheral nervous system. Okay, excretory system, it includes kidney, a pair of bean shaped kidneys, and secondly it include other structures, and other structures are the helping structures of kidney that include ureter, urethra, and urinary bladder. And in other organ system along with nervous system and excretory system that forms a complete human body are circulatory system and digestive system. Okay, first of all we are going to start nervous system. The basic unit of nervous system is neuron or nerve cell. As a student of science from our previous grade, we are well aware that whenever we talk about cell, we say that it is the basic unit of the living organisms. Okay, now we are going to talk about neuron and nerve cell. It is the basic unit of the nervous system. Okay, now what are the parts of this neuron? Its parts are three. First is its dendrites, second is its cell body, and the last one is its axon. Along with axon there are some terminal end of the axon. Okay, now we are going to start that how many type of nerve cells or neuron are present in human body. They are of three types. First is sensory neuron that are relevant to the sense organs. Second is motor neuron that are relevant to the effectors that are glands and muscles. And the third one is interneuron that are present in the brain and they form link between the sensory and motor neurons. Okay class, this is a structure of neuron. As you can see, this is the central part. This is the cell body. As you can see, cell body, it includes nucleus and cytoplasm. From this, these projections are appearing. These are called as dendrites. And this long projection that you can see, it is called as axon. And at the end of the axon, there are terminal axons present. So this is the structure of a neuron. Okay, now secondly we have excretory system. In excretory system we have kidneys and its associated structures. As we know that kidneys are present in the form of a pear and bean shaped kidneys, they are present in the abdominal region and they are brown colored. Okay, now kidney, what is the basic unit of kidney? Functional unit of kidney is called as nephron. And associated structure, as I told you earlier, they are ureter, urethra, and urinary bladder. Okay, now from nephron, what is the functions of nephron? After functions we will study about the malfunctioning, and after that we will study about the treatments of the disorders or malfunctionings. Now we are talking about the internal structure of kidneys. In internal structure of the kidneys, we will study about renal cortex. It is the outer region of the kidney. Renal medulla, it is the middle region of the kidney. After renal medulla, there is renal pyramids that are present. Renal pyramids are present inside the renal medulla. And at the end, there is a renal pelvis. Okay, now What is nephron? As I said earlier, nephron is the functional unit of the kidneys. From nephron, there are two major parts. First is renal corpuscles and the second is renal tubule, and these two are the parts of the nephron. Okay, now this is the structure of nephron. As you can see, this is a kidney, and inside the kidney these are the nephron present in the renal pyramid, and this is the structure of nephron. Okay, now we have malfunctioning of the kidneys. If we talk about malfunctioning, in malfunctioning, first of all, there is stone formation that happens in the kidney, and the second one is renal failure. That means renal word. Whenever you listen word renal, it refers toward the kidney. Second is the failure of the kidneys. These two are the malfunctioning of the kidneys. Okay. Now what is the treatment? Now we will move toward the treatment, that how we can treat this malfunctioning of the kidneys. First of all, its treatment is dialysis, and the second treatment is kidney transplant. Okay, this happens in the early stages of renal failure, in which there is artificial cleaning of the blood occur, that is called as dialysis. This is a procedure that is performed for the treatment of renal failure. Okay, and what happened in kidney transplant? Kidney transplant is the last stage, and after that there is no other treatment. And in kidney transplant, the grafting of healthy kidney takes place. The person whose kidney is failed, his kidney will be grafted by a healthy kidney that will be donated by a person whose cells and tissue of the kidney will match to the person. Okay class, this is all about our today's lecture.